waking up with fibromyalgia sometimes isn't the easiest thing. But this has been helping me. It's my ResMed CPAP machine. I've been using it now for a couple weeks. And the only problem is I wake up in the morning and I'm really congested. I have to call my sinus doctor because of all my sinus issues. All the moisture that the machine puts into your airway, like, ugh. Come on, we're gonna go. Come on, Holly. She doesn't like to get out of her bed. Come on, come over here. Come on. What are you doing? You're being a nutball. You're so silly. Let's go. The bridge fell down from somewhere. Right there. So Chris is here to take Daniel to school. And he was wide awake. Got him all dried and cleaned and set up. And he fell back asleep, but somewhere between then and now he pulled out his, or disconnected his Mickey button and made kind of a mess with formula. So he's sound asleep. Even after Chris totally cleaned up everything. Awake though, all night. He was just active. So, I don't know. I just maybe will send him. I can always send him and then he can come right home. He's only a mile from home. And at least he gets some change of, if I let him sleep all morning, then he's not going to be in the right like pattern. Holly's doing really good with her potty training. She really is. As long as I take her out immediately in the morning, we're having less and less little slip-ups. And last night she was sitting right by the door. She told me she had to go. I took her out and she went, and it was like, I think you're getting it, kid. You're fickle like a pickle. You know that? You look fabulous this morning, considering you didn't sleep well. Yeah. Hey, you went to see Dr. Gill yesterday, and you did great because you looked perfect. They did take blood work though, just to check all his numbers, you know.
That makes sense.
His blood pressure was perfect.
Yeah, it was perfect the other day too.
Yeah. They always want to do a check for a UTI, you know, and it's like, I don't think that's what it is, but why not?
What the heck?
These are the shells that we got at the beach the other day. I washed them and put them in a little container for you. See? They're different than the Florida shells. Someday we'll have to compare them. Connecticut shells versus Florida shells. They're mostly clams, oysters, and mussels. I don't want you to cut yourself, so be careful. Hold on, you can hold that one. You hanging out, watching dragons? You like dragons? Like the dragon? Let's do this. I'm gonna go meet Daddy. Holly, where's the dog? She heard the vacuum cleaner, and I can't find her. Holly. Where are you? Little girl, where are you? I found you. Henry found you. Were you under the bed? Holly is afraid of the vacuum cleaner. So earlier today she chewed the cord and then Chris fixed it for me. And then I was vacuuming and oh, here she is. Henry, she's okay. Come here, you. Come here. Oh, hey, look, my Fitbit. What are you eating? Avocado and beans. Come on, doggies.
Bean and rice burrito.
Let's all go outside now. We went to the diner.
We're having different types of beans. There's
Come on.
pinto beans in the burrito and black beans on the plate.
Come on. Ah, we're back. Come on. Come on. So, I went and met John at the diner after he got out of work for dinner. I have like a nasty sinus headache, and I was sneezing and coughing earlier, and I really just want to go lay down. But I met John for dinner. We had a little date, and it was nice. It was really nice. Thomas is out with friends. Sarah just got home. She went to the grocery store for me. And Daniel is with Chris. And Daniel had a great day at school today. No problems like the other day. I don't really understand. Main appointment for Thomas early next week with a neurologist to follow up on his freakish migraine he had. And I don't know. So I don't know what's going on this weekend. Come on. Getting to know you. Getting to know all about you. I think tonight is your night, girl. A little bath with a trim and a combing and a nail clipping. Hi.
This week, but next week I'm off. We'll leave Sarah home with the boys.
Are you serious? You want to go to Myrtle Beach?
I want to go on vacation with you.
Will you rub my back? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, who's your daddy?
Shut up!
Thanks, Dad.
Who's your dad?
Henry, speak. Speak. Holly, speak. Holly, speak. 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 Holly, speak. Holly, speak. Sit.
Henry did it. Henry did it for me. Thank you.
There you go. All we know is good girl. Good girl.
Look at how she has to sit in front of him.
Yeah, she sits, but not in front of him. On him. Come here.
Theo, what are you doing?
Look at girl.
He is so much more dignified than ever speaking on command. Look at him.
He's like, but you
I
exposed my
don't.
anus.
I don't do that. I don't do tricks.
I'm sorry for exposing your butthole, but we needed to make sure there wasn't any poop stuck in your long fur.
Explain that.
Long-haired cats. Well, he's not that long-haired, but
But
he is.
he is in his butt side.
Yeah, he's got long hair, and sometimes a little bit of poop gets stuck in there, and he can't get it off. So we gotta do it for him. And it's a little embarrassing because you gotta expose his butthole, and he does not like it.
You're good. What's going on in here? What did you do? Did you make your pump go off?
You started.
Just put this on Holly. Put that on Holly. It's a little big for her, but she's old enough now. You guys ready for bed? You want to go night-nights? You want to go night-nights? Huh? You want to go night-nights?
No, I'm okay.
What are you watching?
Baseball.
Good night.
Night.
I think Daniel's asleep already. You can have sweet dreams. Huh?
Monkey?
He was touching it. He was touching its face.
The monkey covered in one of his tubes.
And now I'm signing the extended nursing care notes. As the nurse leaves for the weekend, I sign the paperwork. So I'm reading these, I'm like, why do they have a complaint? Complaint. It says compliant. It looks like this. It's all the medical interventions that happen throughout his day, and then they turn it in and goes to their agency and go into the world of nursing. See the wall? Ah. I don't feel good. Every time I have a whole day set aside to tackle it, something comes up, like sick child. But this is part of motherhood, you know. Some things take priority. Other projects just wait until you have time, that's all. Good night. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I want to just tell you guys one more thing. I almost have 5,000 subscribers. I think I have like 4,905 or something when I looked last. I'm so excited. So please, if you haven't already and you want to come back and watch some more of our videos, just hit that little red button. Help us get to 5,000. It's just a goal. It's just a thing that we're just really trying to get to. And I can't even believe we've made it this far. It's just really exciting. And yeah, lots of ideas in my head, and someday they'll translate into the channel. It's just that I'm only me, and as you know, this is a journey of a very hectic nature and complex. So you just do the best you can do and push yourself a little bit more. That's all. I'm gonna sand the wall. Paint? Am I gonna paint the wall? Who's spackled? Look at the spackle job. Boy. Fire that person. Someone needs to paint. Ah! Can I help you? Can I help you? Cutest little dogs in the whole world. Nope, no one's up here, Holly. Oh, you gonna sleep on Daddy's side? Oh, you're both gonna sleep on Daddy's side? You wanna sleep in here? Where's Daddy gonna sleep? That's his side. Where's Daddy gonna go? Huh? Holly? Henry? Holly's nice and clean. She had a bath. Oh, she still has that eye tearing stain on there, but she's a puppy. And she's teething. Oh. And she smells really good. She smells so clean. Oh, she's so cute. You're so cute, Holly. I love her. I love her. Come here, Henry. You come up here. Henry had a comb out and a trim of his eyes. Henry, over here. Come here. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Come back. There you go. Lay down next to her. Aw. What a good boy. Oh, he's giving you kisses. He's giving you a bath. What are you doing to her? Guys, Holly, Henry, no, you're nice. Be nice. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Come here. I think he wants to play. He's trying to get her to play. He's trying to egg her on, but she's really tired. She's too tired to wrestle, honey. She doesn't want to wrestle. Huh? He's like the big rough and tumble brother. He wants to wrestle with the little sister who is exhausted. Henry, leave it. Leave it. Come on. Leave it. Okay, now you're really playful? It's time for bed. Okay, leave her alone. Okay, I'm gonna put her in her crate because I think you're a little too crazy. You're a little too crazy. You silly. Where's your toys? Where's Sarah? Gonna get you. Stop it. That's loud. You gonna kill the pillow? Okay, kill the pillow. That's all right. Get you. There you go.
Shut up.
Go sleep, sweetheart. He's all riled up. You go to night-nights.